How do you feel right now?
Actually, I'm a little bit nervous, but I'm so excited to share our experience in BPO industry.
How about you, Myra? We are so grateful to be chosen as a representative of BPO industry. Can you please greet our viewers?
Hello, viewers!
So, are you ready to share lessons and ideas for those who want to enter the BPO industry?
Yes, ready.
So then, here's your first question. Let's recent graduates.
Yes, definitely yes. The BPO industry offers many opportunities for recent graduates. In fact, most companies are open to hiring fresh graduates, but some employers usually look for good English communication skills and the ability to speak clearly. So if you have these skills and qualification, I think the BPO industry can be a great way to start your career growth.
That's so great answer, Bill. For you, Myra, do differences in speech patterns and tones lead to conflict or misunderstanding?
Yes, it does happen. Most of the clients from the United States, they can easily notice you if you are Filipino accent. While the most understanding, some are unfair and biased, which can create pressures and challenges for agents. This is very important to speak clearly, stay professional, and remain calm during the different calls.
That's so great answer to Myra.
So Belle, here's your next question. What challenges do employees face in a work from home setup?
I think the main challenges in working from home is unstable network or internet, especially during typhoon or unfavorable weather conditions. But working from home is help us to save time, travel costs, although some companies are helped by providing internet support and
So, for your last question, Myra, does good leadership affect employee satisfaction?
Definitely yes. If your team leader is experienced, helpful, and understanding, you will feel valued and stay longer in the company. But the leader is so extreme and follow the rules without flexibility and show no consideration even during emergency, you will feel exhausted. As our representative, good leadership is a key to employee motivate and help.
Thank you for your answer, Myra. So, for your last question, Bill, how do you or agents cope with physical and mental stress from shift work?
working on site allows us to communicate with teammates, share our thoughts, ideas, and also experiences in BPO industry after stressful work situation. While in a work from home setup, I cope with stress by resting, eating my favorite foods, and spending time on activities that help me relax.
Thank you so much for joining us, Bill and Myra.
Thank you.
Viewers will surely learn a lot from this, especially those who want to enter BPO industry. Can you please say thank you to our viewers for watching us?
Thank you for watching!
So Belle and Myra, we have small games for both of you.
The BPO industry gives great opportunities but also comes with challenges from meeting high standards, dealing with clients, choosing between work setups, having good leaders, and managing stress. Thank you for listening and watching our Chica Packs.
See you on the next episode of